You know what's exhausting? Spending hours juggling different social media accounts, trying to post regularly, and then having no idea if any of it is actually working. If you're tired of inconsistent posting, messy spreadsheets, and zero ROI tracking, I've got something that's going to change the game for you. It's called Sociamonials, and it's basically your all-in-one social media command center. You can schedule posts, run viral campaigns like contests and sweepstakes, track your results down to the dollar, and even have AI help you create engaging content, all without bouncing between 5 different tools or paying 5 different subscriptions. Multi-platform scheduling. Let's start with the time saver, scheduling. With Sociamonials, you can write a post once and publish it everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, YouTube, Google Business, all from one dashboard. You can queue up content for weeks or months ahead, and even set evergreen posts to recycle automatically so your social media stays active even when you're not. Advanced analytics and ROI tracking. Now here's where most tools drop the ball, tracking what actually works. Sociamonials goes beyond likes and comments. It can track clicks, leads, and even revenue from your posts. That means you'll know exactly which campaigns are paying off, so you can double down on what works and stop wasting time on what doesn't. Social contests and campaigns. Want to grow your audience faster? You can run sweepstakes, photo or video contests, referral campaigns, even coupon giveaways, all built right inside Sociamonials. It's plug and play, and the system handles the tracking, entries, and even moderation for you. Automation and workflow. Another thing I love is automation. You can set posts to go live at the best times, auto-repost your top performers, and even build approval workflows if you work with a team or clients. That means less micromanaging, more results. Most social media tools with these features cost between $30 and $100 a month. Hootsuite starts at $90 a month for teams. Sprout Social, $249 a month for just 5 profiles. That's thousands of dollars every single year. With the Sociamonials AppSumo Lifetime Deal, you pay once and keep it forever. The starter tier is just $69. That's 30 social profiles, 1 workspace, 5,000 monthly contest entries, premium integrations, advanced analytics, the mobile app, and even the ability to run unlimited social contests and campaigns. Need more? You can stack codes for bigger limits. For example, $138 gives you 60 profiles and 2 workspaces. $207 gives you 90 profiles and 3 workspaces. All still lifetime access. And here's the best part. AppSumo backs it with a 60-day money-back guarantee so you can test drive it risk-free. Seriously, you could spend $69 today and have what would normally cost you over $1,700 a year with other tools. Locked in for life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.